Welcome back to DIY Willie, and today, well, one guess what we're working on today. Yeah, let's check out the parts. Now I bought this mini bike kit a few months back when Go Power Sports had their big sale on all the MM80, Mega Motos and Monster Moto parts, all those great things, man. They sold out fast too. I wish I could have bought a couple more. I should have bought a couple more. Anyway, I got mine. I got this one, and it's been sitting in my garage. You've probably seen it in the background of many videos. And well, today's the day we get in there and open it up, see what I've been putting stuff in there as I ordered it. I've been putting stuff in the box, so I don't remember what's all in there exactly, but we'll get in there, we'll figure out all the parts, we'll look at what I put in there and start building it. Man, those birds want in on this video so bad. All right, my engine choice is basically a 79cc 4-stroke engine from Gas Bike. There's the specs on it. I don't know if you can see it, but there's the specs on it. Now this engine is the Predator 79cc engine. However, I cannot buy the Predator engine in California because of the EPA. And I picked it up from them. Man, I bought this engine probably 3 or 4 years ago too. It's been sitting in that shed for a long time. But now it's actually supposed to be used in a different project. But I think it'll be fun in this one. We'll play around with it for a little bit, and then I'll take it out and I'll put a 212 in. I have a 212 also, but we'll mess with this one first. Also, hiding over there in the corner, in the idea of staying cheap, I have a Blaster LED torque converter 30 series in a box over there that I purchased for this this project. And I don't know if it's going to go on this time or not, but I have it, and it'll be ready to go on eventually. But it's here. It's right there. Sitting on Silverado's taking good care of it, holding it right there for the video. So yeah, let's get this box open and see what we got inside. So let's take a look what's in the box for the engine. Like I said, this is it's marketed by Gas Bike, but it's pretty much the same as the 79cc Predator. And I've had the box open before, but many years ago, to see the engine. And you'll see when I get it out what it all looks like here. Comes with much the same, a little toolkit, and looks like it was leaking some oil. That's interesting. I didn't think they were shipped with much oil. The box has got oil in it too. Oh, I left the clutch on it. So here we go. Here's our 78.5, or we'll just call it a 79cc engine. Looks identical to the Predator. You know, has the same mounting plate that I put on there a while back. Yes, this is a clutch. I left that clutch on probably 3 years ago when I had it out of the box, just checking it out. So yeah, it looks really cool. I have some plans for this thing. So really dusty, look at that. Need to clean it up, but it's ready to go. And it's never been around. It's never had gas in it, it's never had oil in it. I gotta find out why there's so much oil all around it. It shouldn't have had anything except the shipping oil, and I don't know, maybe something got in there. But we will definitely, it's there. We will definitely investigate and figure out what's going on, and then work on the linkage to make it work. Actually, it looks like, look at that, it's got linkages set up already. I don't think the Predator comes that way. That's interesting. That'll make it that much easier to hook up the throttle to the mini bike. So now that we've seen the engine, let's get into that mini bike, okay? All right, check it out, guys. We brought Mighty out to be a part of this. So got the new engine, We've got Mighty here, proud and ready to see its new brother, the mini bike. So I gotta come up with a name for this one once we build it. But right now, Mighty's here and looking good in all its glory. All right, so let's get in here. Yeah, where? In here. There we go. Let's see what we got. Now, there's probably not too many of these left in a box like this. I know all the kits have been sold out and they've probably already been built. So this is nice to see one fresh like this, untouched. You know. So we've got an engine plate, so you know where we're going with this project. This will mount the torque converter. That one. So you know where we're going. Got a different clutch. 3/4 shaft, so that's for the torque converter, for the 212 that I was looking at running. And no, these aren't max torque. Oh, an extra link, master link. These aren't max torque. These are just some China Amazon specials. So we'll play with them. They should work. What else we got? Oh, we got another one. 3/4 shaft 12T35 chain. Okay, that's good. That'll make it easier to put the 212 on. A 3/4 shaft and 35 chain. What else? Got the adjustable Go Power Sports adapter plate. Looks good. Go Power Sports. Thanks, guys. You never let me down. What else is in here? Oh, sprocket. And see, I don't remember what everything I put in here. Oh, sprocket adapter. There we go. Again, another fine Go Power Sports item. Go Power Sports USA sprocket hub adapter. Some stickers. Thanks, guys. And of course, Go Power Sports. Thank you much. I don't know how it all comes out of here. Oh, clutch chain guard. Again, another Go Power Sports fantastic product. Don't know what's on here. This must be a Home Depot bag right here. Oh, nice. There's some hardware. That'll come in handy. What else is down here? Oh, the longer 12mm axle. This is, never mind. This, I'll show you later what this is for. But this is a longer 12mm axle. Split sprocket. 54-tooth split sprocket for a 35 chain. Look at this, man. I have more clutches than I need. There's another clutch. And this says Monster right here, MS. I don't know, it may not be Monster, but it's MS. And this one, I believe, comes with this kit. So it's 35 chain for the 5/8 shaft. So I have that one on there already, but I might put this one. What else we got in it? It's like a treasure trove. I think now we're down to parts. You know what? Let's cut open this box. All right, so I got the crate or the box opened up, revealing the nice sturdy metal crate they ship it in. Oh, look over here. That's a clear breather. Is that for the 79cc or is that for the 212? Wow, it looks like it'd be... Wonder where I got that. It looks like it'll fit the 79cc. I don't remember buying that at all. But that'll be interesting. What else is down here? Oh, the toolkit. Check it out. Comes with a toolkit. There's our axles. There's miscellaneous hardware. And our fork risers. Uh-oh, here's the brake adapter. Yeah, we know what we're doing with that. And of course, the adjuster right here. Where did these come from? I don't remember what's all in this box. Like I said, I've had this for a while. All right, let's get it unwrapped. And there's the handlebars pre-assembled. Looking good. Front forks. Man, everything's kind of zip tied in here. Let's see if we can get it out. I like this toolkit. Maybe we'll use this to assemble it. Oh, it'd be nice with some ratchets. Look at that. That's pretty neat. Everything is right there. Thank you, Megamoto. I like it. Set it in the pile of parts. These are the handlebars ready to go. With a cricket. Dead cricket. How'd that cricket get in there? Must have hopped in the box. That's interesting. How do they do that? I guess that's for ease of assembly, right? There's the tires. Feels like they're all inflated. Got too many zip ties. I need to get a zip tie cutter. Okay, we've got some tools now. We're gonna get into this. Get all this open. And they zip tie everything up. All this bubble wrap. Man. Look at that. Nice new wheel. Put it down here. Out of the way. We've got more. Man, we've got so much. Looks like this thing's bolted into the frame. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take all these bolts out. They're 10mm all the way around and get it all out. I can take these things out. We don't need those where we're going. Oh, that's a zip tie too there too. But I can cut that zip tie. Let me cut that zip tie. I like how they package all this stuff up. Packaged up really nice. So yeah, I'm gonna get to all those bolts. We'll get the frame out of here and get this thing out of the way, and I'll be right back. All right, so I've got it all out of the crate. I think I'm gonna use some of these pieces for another workbench. Worked out really good. I love the way it was clamped in too, using these little pieces here that interlock. I love that. Check it out. I really like how they do that. I can utilize those somehow. They just interlock like that. I'll make use of those, definitely. That's really neat. All right, so from this point on, it's really a simple install. You know, just put it all back together. We get rid of these zip ties. I need to find the bolt that goes there. So this will be the bolt for the stem and the handlebars. We'll put that one in first. All right, we brought out some persuasion. We're just gonna give it some love taps here. Get it over the bearing. Drop the axe, drop the pin in. There we go. Works more ways than one. I'll just put the bolt on for now. We can tighten it up later. There we go. Now we'll get the risers on. Where were the risers? Here we go. Put the handlebars on so they're out of our way. Really easy. Just put everything in the holes that are provided. Cinch down the hardware. It's a really simple bike to build. There aren't many more of them. If you find one, they're going to be a rarity. You know, I'm sure there's a lot of them out there that people just don't want anymore. But man, send me a link because I want them. Let me just tighten those up a little bit. All right, so now we're just going to tighten these up a little bit so we can just have them ready in position. Now let's find the axle for the front. I believe it was back here, right here. And we'll go ahead and put the front wheel on. That's a good start. Front wheels on, fenders on. Got all the miscellaneous stuff that was all over it off. Took the chain guard off because we really don't need that where we're going, as we always say. And now I'm ready to set the engine and try to line up the chain. All right, let me do that. I've got the engine here all cleaned up. Got all that extra oil off of it. It's ready to go on the bike. So yeah, let's get it over there and get it in. Okay, so what I figured out is the bolt pattern here is not the same as here for the engine. Now I'm sure this is the same as the Predator because this plate comes with the Predator too. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is use the angled plate to go in there first. I wasn't originally going to put this in right now, but I'm going to go ahead and use it. It'll help me to bolt everything together. All right, I may have to take off the gas tank and the exhaust, the filter, I don't know. We'll see what it takes to get it in there using this plate. All right, so I've got the adapter plate bolted on, new 5/8 hardware. Now we're going right there. Or not. So there we go. For the most part, it's assembled. And I gotta say, it looks really good. You know, a lot different than Mighty over there, than Big Brother. But this is really nice. I like it. Check out this throttle linkage for this gas bike engine. I don't believe the Predator's like this. It's not quite the same. I don't think it has this setup on it. You have to drill a hole and use a different, you know, I bought it from Go Power Sports, the linkage to hook the cable up. But this, I mean, this is totally usable. The one that came with the engine. Hooks right up to the cable. I can actuate it. No problem with the throttle. With the throttle right there. And it works perfectly. Pretty amazing. So what I might do though is put a little more spring on it. I don't know yet. I'll have to see once I get the engine running and see how it goes. To get it in here with the angled engine plate, I had to take the exhaust off, and I don't really like that. I wanted to use that exhaust for now, so I'm going to be again making a different engine plate to level the engine out, not so much angle, level it out so I can put the exhaust back in. And right now though, the engine's in there for mocking up and to see what I needed. I also take a look at the other side. Also looking over here, with the clutch on it and the engine where it's at with this angled plate, the chain doesn't reach. So I'm going to be looking at not only changing the engine plate, but getting a longer chain to make it go up to the clutch. So, I mean, if I made one, I could probably move the engine back and possibly get the chain on and make it work. But I think I'm just going to go pick up some more 35 chain that when I lower the engine, I can kind of keep it forward like this. I kind of like it forward up there. It looks centered in the hole, you know, in the opening. So I think I'll just get some more chain. I'm going to make a new engine plate to flatten out the engine, and we should be good. Put the exhaust back on right here. So yeah, it looks pretty good. I like it. It's coming along. I was hoping to get it to a point where I could start it up today, but it didn't happen, and we'll just have to do it another day. So I'm going to end this video here, and I'm going to get the parts I need to make an engine plate and get some longer chain, and we'll come back to this project another day. Isn't that a sweet picture? Little brother, big brother. Yeah, nice.